Hello, my dear. I am really happy to release the new video related and most important thing. Important because Microsoft Office for all Office are most important for all basic computer learners around the world. So I want to show you today about the first thing that I want to show. This is I want to review something too with Microsoft Office PowerPoint. PowerPoint is most important to trainer, to teacher, to professor, to doctor, and to student too. They need to use it with a slideshow, with a projector, to do presentation, to train the new employer, to presentation to many customer. And this is most vital office for all people that they use as a presenter, use as assignment, and for anything that they want to show and want to use with projector, because there are many popular things for helping many users to be aware condition with special work. Example, you have transition, mean all the page here have the action, and animation. There are many different things, different transit, different performing about the letter that can run for anything. But today I want to show you about Ribon Manu home. You know, home is most important thing in Microsoft Office for all, for Office Word, for Office Excel, for Office PowerPoint, and one more, Office Access too. And I want to show you for today and for right now about home Ribon Manu in PowerPoint Office 2013. You know, different and so far different from Microsoft Office Word, because Office Word you don't have like new slideshow there and layout there, reset and selection, and anything like underline, in here, when you want to use about this letter and want to show about font and size of font and any style of the letter here, you need to click in here. You know, when you click here, many tool like bar and italics and underline and any more, and many kind of tool that you can use. After you click related to the letter and click into the text box, you know, you can use text box for writing, for anything that you want to write down, want to type any letter in there, you know. Example, I use like that. Yes, and then you can write here, you see, and then you can take it away. Yes, this is, you can write like that. If you cannot, you can use double click here if you want to double click, and when you double click in the text box like here and here, you will got a format. You know, format is most important thing for design a letter, design. Example here, yes, you can design like that. But I want to focus about format, but I want to show you about Ribon Manu. You know, Ribon Manu most important menu that you will see anymore. You know, Microsoft Office, PowerPoint, new slide, you know, see, new slide. You can click here, and then you can use a layout. You know, layout, what does layout mean? You know, this is a form that have already for choosing, like you want to use there. Oh yes, okay, you see, yeah. Layout means that you can choose anything that they are already, it has already about something, some style, some, as you see here, I will show you again. You want to insert table here, you can choose column. You know, column already, column means that something that, example, column 5, yes, I think I get it 5, and row I just got it 7, yes, and okay, yes, you insert and you have a table. You know, table, row mean that, like that, yes, a post right here, but row mean that in here, you know, row, this is row, and you can use a different style and a color in here, you can use there. And then if you want to choose any more, like picture, you know, you can choose picture here. Example here, I go to picture, I don't have any picture. Please wait for me. Oh my god. I'm so sorry because I don't have any picture. Well, there. So I want to here, yeah, okay. Yes, I have picture. You know, this is a healthy food. Example, yes, you see here. And then you want to write something. Yes, I can type some word here. My god, the health, see, food, or for you. Yes, and then if you have here, and mean abbreviation word from number, you know, and in here I can talk about a product, you know, product, and trong mind about this, you know, you can do that like a Microsoft Word too, you know, and anything very the same, you know, the same, everything in the table, like you use Microsoft Office Word, Microsoft Word also. PowerPoint is not a product, and then I choose about, oh my god, you need product, you need, and I forgot something, but I just example, you know, just example. I'm so sorry because I forgot some table for more table than all people use for product table, you know. Unique and amount. I think I choose amount here, and then oh god, oh yes, I read price and unit price, you know, and then I can choose amount. This is true amount. And example here 1 2, this is simple 2 3, because Microsoft Office Word and PowerPoint is the same, you know, so you can tap. It is not the same Excel, you know. Excel, they are automatically Word that in the form like this. You can click Control and you can pull in down. You will got automatic is a number by rank 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes, and one more thing. In when you stand a cursor in the table, everything here is show, you know, like here I want to use here, yes, and you can also use, yes, a color word, and you have alignment and anything you can use here too. When I click to the picture, do you think why everything in the font and font size and increase size font and underline and italics and bold cannot functioning for right now, because picture you cannot write anything, but you want to write on the picture, you need to use text box again, you know. You can write, so you can tap something here. I want to talk about banana. Yes, banana and garlic and broccoli, and then crab, and then I do not remember anymore. Eggplant. Pepper, yes, etc. So you can write anything in on the picture except you. Broccoli is wrong. Broccoli, yeah, C and C double C. You cannot read because it is small and you need to underline. And I think that this color, I use the new color too, because you need something that you can see here very clear, you know. Cannot see, you cannot see again. God, so bad thing, but I can do it more. You see here, wow, yes, it's bigger than before, so you can see clearly, but just is some support for this thing, you know. And you can see also here, you know, it means that recently used the shape, you know. Shape is almost the same in Office Word, but Office Word shape in insert, you know, shape in insert. Yes, shape in insert, but you don't think that in insert there are more shape like home too. This is the different thing from Microsoft Word. So you can use something to draw here if you need, you know. Why like that? I can choose there format, and then I choose I go to okay. I need to go to you know, because you use the star shape after the word, so you cannot it hides the word. If you want to write here, you should use the star first and second for after any sentence and in any letter need to use it after the star, you know, because I write here, so I need to delete it. Okay. And then I use text box to draw it again. You see, I see at this time everything is not hide, you know. Yeah, it is. You see, cannot hide anything if you want to move to anywhere, you see, because when you choose the star and any picture first of your topping, your letter, it means that the letter will hide by the picture, will hide by the text. I think any more, maybe, oh yes, cut, you know, you can see cut here. If you want to use cut, you can use here, you know, and then you want to here again, yes, click title, yes, you see, cut. And you also Control A, select all. I mean, you can use copy too, you know. Copy is not the same cut, because cut for close of the last text box, anything for lost anything, but copy just is not lost the original. You can use here. Oh yes, you see, this is the same word, but it have automatically ribbon menu in home, you know, pass here too, you know, pass example. If you cannot go to anything, you right click and you go to edit text, you know, and then edit text, and or you can use a shortcut key Control V. Yes, more Control V mean paste, you know. And any more in home ribbon menu, you know, arrange is not for using anything, you know. Arrange here, it means that by the top, you see, arrange mean like that, you know. I want to use the star. Arrange, you mean you want to move anything, picture, send go to back, bring to front, you know. It means that bring to front means that you will take star to anymore, to hide any picture, even though the letter or any picture, any table that after the star. So I will choose it more. It is 8. See, yes, it's after, but it means that after will behind the letter, you see, but the star is not hide the star because I can choose the again from bring to front of 0, see. Yeah, you see, in bring to front of so arrangement, and you can bring forward, you can bring to send to back, see. Send to back means to everything original. Send to backward, it is not effect. Yes, this is most affecting. It to front, in here different from the Microsoft Word, you know. Yes, convert to smart art, you know, convert to smart art in Microsoft Office Word. It means that smart art only, you know, smart art. So you have smart art for using here too. If you have experience with Microsoft Office Word, maybe this lesson is not difficult or bad for you. You see? Yeah, when you type here, is example, I am James Bond. Oh God, James Bond. Like that, and then you can write here. You can see, and here is you can get it more size, you know. Yeah, bigger size. In here you can write Tommy. You see. Yeah, I need to use Tommy, and Tommy mean have some problem. Tommy and Maria. Yes, Maria. Oh God, Maria. Yes, only one. Oh, Maria. Jenny and Jenny maybe need E, you know. Justin, but it's not Bieber, you know, just Justin only. Anything. If you have any more people on your board leader, on your board leaderboard, and any function, more people that on your board, about student or professor or the manager, the sales office or financial office, or the in the bank board function, you can add it more, you know, when you want to use more. About this example, you can go to here, you know, standard, and then you can use the same above or before or after, you know. After, you do you understand after mean like that, you see? Yeah, after, and then you want to, you choose layout too, but layout in design, you know, is not format. Layout, you go standard and you can choose the shape, and then you below, you know, below mean like this, you see. And then you can go to the here if you have any more layout and standard. Layout and standard, you choose add shape, assistant. If you have assistant, or you have after or before, but you choose assistant, you see assistant, you know. And then you go to the again standard and you use add more assistant, you see. Yes, you see, I just example for there, you know. And if you want to copy, you can go to home, ribbon menu, copy or cut it. I cut it to this. I cut it to, oh yes, insert smart art here. Paste here. Yes, this is my smart art. But if you don't want to type in the type your text here, you can close it and you can write here directly, you know. Yes, directly. But you use double clicks. If you cannot double clicks to write anything, you can, yes, you can write anything. It's not problem. See, write anything here. And like example, you want to type something here and you want to use arrangement. You see arrange? Yes, arrange front of or top, left, right. Yeah, like top. Here you see, like if you want to type neither board or something wrong, board leader. My god, I have big problem. Yeah, board leader. And then I can go to here, but directly you can do that, you know. Yeah, push and pull to anywhere, up to you. You can push to anywhere you want to got it, like that. I think that for this lesson I want to show you more here, you know. If you want to and sorry, any thank you, you know, thank you. You want to find thank you, you can type here. Oh my god, thank you. Replace, you know, replace. Have a nice day, and then you replace all, you know. Okay, you see here, first I tap here thank you, and you can use a find and you can use replace. Is the same, you know. I close, anything is changed already. This is a different way. If you tap many page and you have a lot of letter, a lot of sentence, you use many long page, like 100 or more than 100 page, then you have a long and document that you want to find. It means find and replace is the best way for correct and for change, for anything that you want to change in your documentary, you know. Document. I want to show you reset. One more thing, you know, reset. Reset means that, sorry, I cannot do anything. Reset. Example, home, selection, add selection. Yes, you see here, reset means that everything that you want to show it more. But you go here, yeah. But I think selection you can expand all, and you can use remove all selection. You see, remove all selection. I mean that remove all selection. You before you do that, add to selection. See, untitled selection. So you see, you need to use untitled selection. Rename selection. Selection needs to use a name too, you know, like healthy food. Rename. You know, when you have this name, mean easy to use selection, you know. Remove selection and rename selection and collab selection. Collab mean like that, you know. Collab mean that abbreviate it, but you can use in here. Everything is moved to the same thing here. Yes, is collab is just hide. Collab all, it mean hide all, you know. And reset. Oh, reset. Reset no. Yes. Wait, because it lag. Yeah, you see. I will use the reset here again. May reset will reset still work. No have any more function. Sorry, I cannot show you about reset. It's not may you can skip the reset, you know. Reset is not important. But last moment, this I will skip, you know. This you can connect it to Excel too, you know. This style is from Excel, you know, most related to Excel. Edit data in Microsoft Excel, you know. Excel you can bring it to front of the PowerPoint slideshow with the chart title also. But I let me say thank you and have a nice day. And this videos for the first basic Ribon Manu home. Ribon Manu home, I want to finish this video, and with Excel I will show you how to use Excel on PowerPoint. See you and have a nice day.